Welcome to Technology Zone, your one-stop destination for the latest updates from the world of automobiles and technology. If you love cars and want to stay updated with the newest models, features, and innovations, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Now let's dive into the stunning new 2025 Audi Q5, a car that is making waves in the SUV market. The 2025 Audi Q5 has arrived with a fresh design and updated features that set a new benchmark for luxury SUVs. Audi has made sure that this new model is more refined, stylish, and technologically advanced than ever before. Starting from the exterior, the 2025 Audi Q5 showcases a bolder and sharper look. The signature single-frame grille has been redesigned to give a more aggressive appearance, while the new LED headlights add to its futuristic vibe. The sleek lines running across the body make it look dynamic even when standing still. The alloy wheels come in new attractive designs, enhancing the overall sporty character of the SUV. Moving to the interior, the 2025 Q5 continues Audi's tradition of luxury and comfort. As soon as you step inside, you are greeted with high-quality materials and a modern dashboard layout. The seats are covered in premium leather with excellent cushioning, making long drives super comfortable. One of the key highlights is the new large touchscreen infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The virtual cockpit display behind the steering wheel is fully customizable, giving the driver all essential information in a sleek digital format. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi Q5 offers impressive performance. Audi has upgraded the engine options, providing a more powerful yet fuel-efficient experience. The turbocharged four-cylinder engine delivers smooth and responsive power, and for those looking for even more performance, Audi offers a plug-in hybrid variant. The Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures excellent grip and control, whether you are driving on highways or rough terrains. The suspension has been fine-tuned for better ride comfort, making sure you enjoy every journey with ease. Technology and safety have always been Audi's strengths, and the 2025 Q5 is no exception. It comes packed with advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The parking assist system and 360-degree camera make parking in tight spots much easier. Audi has also improved the sound insulation, making the cabin quieter and more peaceful even at high speeds. In terms of practicality, the 2025 Audi Q5 offers a spacious cabin with ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The cargo space is generous, and the rear seats can be folded down to accommodate larger items. This makes it an ideal SUV for families as well as individuals looking for style and performance. So that was a detailed look at the new 2025 Audi Q5, a perfect combination of luxury, performance, and technology. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Technology Zone for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next video.